How to fix Spotify status not showing on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Discord application. Go in your server, click on the three lines at the top left corner. After that, at the bottom, go to your profile icon. There you will see the option of connections. Simply click on it. After that, at the top you will see the Spotify. Simply click on the cross icon beside it. Click on add connection and go to Spotify option. After that, once you see this option of connected your Spotify account to Discord, you will simply be able to see the sign. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix Spotify status not showing on Discord. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.